Hello. So today's video is gonna be on cervical spondylitis. I will show you very effective yet easy exercises or asanas. But make sure that whenever you are performing this asana, your stomach is empty. Okay, and always make sure that your neck and spine should be in one line, straight. If you are comfortable sitting on the floor, do sit there. If you are comfortable sitting on the chair, so you can sit on the chair as well. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start with our elbow, with our shoulder rotation first, like 10 clock, 10 anti-clock. Okay, so let's start. 1. Always join your elbows inside. Okay, don't drop your neck. Make your neck free. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so anti-clock as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join the elbows here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm going to do neck rotations in 3 ways. Okay, so we'll stretch our neck first sidewise. So always inhale in the center, exhale side. Again inhale in the center, exhale other side. So while stretching your neck, don't move your shoulder. Just try to stretch your neck and always try to breathe with your nose, whether you are inhaling or exhaling. Okay, so watch me. Inhale, exhale, feel the stretch here. Inhale, exhale. Again inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. So try to do it 10 times and then increase it 15 and then 20 this way, right? So the next will be that you have to inhale, look towards the ceiling, or you have to make your neck drop, and exhale, look towards the center only. Don't drop your neck. Don't do this. Okay. So just observe me. Inhale, exhale. While you are inhaling, stay there and then you have to exhale come. Don't rush, okay? Just don't rush. Stay. Let it work. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Okay. Again, I'll show you just 3 times. So you just try to do as much as you can. Now, neck rotation. And while rotating your neck, you have to make a C. Okay. 1 clock and other anti-clock. Together that will be 1. Okay. Inhale. This. Anti-clock. This is 1. Okay. 2. Make a C. 3. Do it as much as you can once again. So now you have to lie down on your stomach. This way. So what you have to do, just you have to do cobra pose. You have to place your palm exactly near your armpit and just squeeze your shoulders this way. Join the legs back. Okay, so inhale, look towards the ceiling. Exhale down. Slowly down, don't rush. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The second one will be Sarpasan, in which you just have to interlock your arms and don't touch to the hip. Make it up little. Join the legs again. Initially, if you cannot make it up, just little touches, it's okay. Okay, and then just try to raise your upper body along with your neck up. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Rest little. Okay. So the third one will be like you have to just place your interlock your arms like this. Okay. And place it exactly on your neck. So you have to inhale, stretch it out. Exhale down. You just have to place your arm on your behind the neck, but don't give it a pressure there. Just you have to place your arm, that's it. You have to raise your upper body and neck. Okay. So watch me one more time. I'm just placing it loose, right? Inhale. Exhale. Last, inhale. Okay, so now you can try this, and this is like if you perform, there is no such restrictions that you have to make your stomach empty. While you are on your bed, you are reading the book, or maybe you are watching the television, right? You just can lie down the way I'm lying down right now. You can practice this as long as you can. Okay, make sure, because cervical, like you have cervical pain, so you have to do many like 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day, which is very easy. Just follow the technique what I'm showing you. You have to place your leg the way I'm placing it now. Just try to touch the heel back. Okay, and then place the elbows here. As you are placing your elbow here, so you just have to make like this and just place it there. See, you are pressuring here, so you will feel a kind of a stretch of your upper vertebrae, which is very, very, very beneficial if you really want to cure your cervical. And make sure that your elbows are joined here. You have to join the elbows and try to push your elbows as forward as you can. So don't do like this, you will not get that much stretch. You have to place your elbows little far and then just like place there. Place your leg like this, just stay there. Normal breathing. As you are placing your palm like this, so you will feel a kind of a stretch, which is very, very, very beneficial. Okay, so these are very easy and effective exercises or yogasanas you can perform, and do it as long as you can to get the maximum benefit out of it, right? So stay well, stay happy. Thank you so much.